Okay, this is what's going on in the Mantiques Network today. I don't know what you're doing at your job, but this is how I start most of my days. I'm already through Dan Patrick. I'm now listening to Rich Eisen, working on our social media. Let's go see what the really guys that are out there making stuff happen. Busting knuckles, see what they're doing out there. Beautiful day in Southern California, but most of them are. Got our friends over at Orange County Crating doing a lot of business. We got some pinstriping going on here today, some painting. Show you guys at their craft here. Just been working on this coin-op gun game for our customer Tim out in Colorado. He's put a wood grain on it, so what he's doing right now is color sanding it, I believe, right? Are you color sanding that right now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who are you talking to?
The world. There you go. And over here we have what very few people in the world can do, and that is pinstripe. This guy had two choices. He could have been a surgeon or a pinstriper. He chose to be a pinstriper with those.
Well, I was a surgeon at first.
That's right. You were a surgeon at first.
Yeah, it just wasn't rewarding.
But this is really cool. What we're doing right now is Jeff has been finding all these big industrial machines from the back in the day, and we've been restoring them and putting his beautiful, Kent's putting his beautiful pinstriping on them, so we can get somebody in there that has some type of gas and oil or some type of industrial exhibit or wants something cool for the retail shops. If you look back there, that's our grease cars from the MGM. That's okay, Bill, you're good. Casino. We got one left. We're getting it all ready. Again, if you got a retail store and you want to put something like this, we've sold another 10 of them to different operations, car dealers, clothing stores, and so on and so forth. It lights up, it's got music and so on and so forth, but it's really, really cool and well built because that's what the casinos did. This is a Coke machine that we just finished for a fellow out in West Virginia. He had shipped it all the way out here. It had great bones, so we restored it back to absolute perfect museum quality. It's getting picked up today by our trucking company CTRS. So all good. Let's get in here real quick, run down, see what else is going on. I know Jim and I are getting ready to do some listing today, so he's getting everything all queued up in the showroom. Get some stuff to go. This motorcycles we're doing for a customer here, very, very cool. So this is what it looks like at the Mantiques Network today. What's it look like at your place?
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.